So now we will try to solve the second question that is mentioned here, that what are the basic approaches to of financial sector reforms in India? This is our question. Okay, so let's write the solution. So the financial sector reforms in India can be broadly classified into two approaches. Okay, so financial sector reforms, it can be, I'm just trying to provide you some key points so that you can answer this in a more clear and crystal clear way. So it was the financial sector reforms can be classified in two approaches. Okay, so one part is banking sector reforms. So this approach mainly focuses on the improvement of the banking sector and includes measures such as liberalization and interest rate, reduction of reserve requirements, etc. So these banking sector reforms mainly focuses on the improvement of the banking sector, like liberalization of interest rates, reduction of reserve requirements, you know about, I think, RRR, reserve requirement ratio, that a bank should be maintained. Reserve requirements, privatization of public sector, uh, enhancement of the supervisory mechanism, okay. So this was under banking sector reforms. These all parts were liberalization, reduction of reserve requirement, privatization, enhancement of supervision mechanism, etc. Okay. Now the another reform is capital market reforms, because we have mentioned that you can generally divide this reform in two parts, financial sector reform in two parts, and it can be classified in two approaches. The first approach was banking sector reforms, and the second approach is capital market reforms. Okay, so this approach aims to develop the capital market and includes measures such as that means it is based on or dependent on capital market, right? So it was mainly broadly dependent on introduction of new financial instruments such as derivatives. Secondly, introduction of market-oriented regulation. Secondly, market-oriented regulation. The third point will be development of the institutional level infrastructure. Development of institutional infrastructure. The fourth was the promotion of foreign portfolio investment. That is the promotion of foreign portfolio investment. And the fifth will be the enhancement of corporate governance and disclosure norms. So enhancement of corporate governance and disclosure norms. ঠিক আছে? Okay. So both these approaches have been implemented in India since the 1990s to improve the efficiency and stability of the financial sector. So let's recap the capital market reforms. In the capital market reforms, it was mainly dependent on capital market. It was under this capital reform, capital market reforms, it is included that the introduction of new financial instruments such as derivatives, introduction of market-oriented regulation, development of institutional infrastructure, promotion of foreign portfolio investment, and enhancement of corporate governance and disclosure norms. So both these approaches have been implemented. That means the banking sector approach and banking sector reforms and the capital sector market reforms, both to togetherly improve the efficiency of financial markets since 1990s. Okay, so this is the entire answer of this question B.